What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I got a daytime POV for y'all. Finna go get my windshield tinted, and then that'll probably be it for today. Until later on tonight, we might go to Taco Tuesday. So I hope y'all enjoy this. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. Thank y'all so much for all the support. Took $50 last time. I'm gonna say over 50. No, that's weird. It stopped at 50 again. It won't go anymore either. So guess they not open, or probably somebody at lunch, cause it say 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's only 12, bro, and nobody's here. I've knocked on the door and everything. It looked like somebody just got their car tinted right here, or somebody whose car is tinted is right here, and I'm assuming it's whoever work at the tint shop. So I'm gonna give them about like probably 10 minutes, see if somebody show up, and then after that I'm gonna just leave, bro. Dang, my bad, y'all. I ain't even show y'all what it looked like whenever I got outside. But it's done. We got the 20% on the front, so you cannot see in here. Ceramic. Yeah, bro. And it stay cool in here. It's not supposed to get it hot in here. But yeah, bro. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like whenever we get back to the crib, and hopefully it look good. Go ahead, bro. All right. So here it is. I don't know. It look a little lighter. I don't remember being able to see through it, but it is what it is. Maybe I'll go darker later on. But now we're gonna get the banner tomorrow, so that's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna turn the camera back on, probably tonight if I go to Taco Tuesday. But yeah, bro. Thank y'all. Damn, my shit dirty. I think we're doing a toy drive. Oh, yeah, a toy drive. Who, him?
Yeah, bro.
Well, he was doing some crazy shit, wasn't he?
We was going
They say he ran, but he was doing some.
Who is though? That's Swinker joint.
It's a wide body movement.
Decent. That's cool.
7 on Demon Wheels. Okay.
If you guys want to get tacos, all you gotta do is go to the restaurant. They're gonna buy you. They're gonna sell you a ticket. Okay. Once you get that ticket from the restaurant, you gotta come here to the taco truck and redeem your tacos. So they got taco plates and they have full menu, drink specials. Yeah, we're gonna go there right now, bro. Alright, there's gonna be there. You guys want tacos? Go to the restaurant.
I just gotta get a kid at that point.
Alright, cool. Now they on some bitch. I ain't
Not making my shit that loud, nigga. You crazy as fuck.
I ain't gonna lie, my shit used to do some shit like close to that.
That shit is nah.
That's your homeboy? Look how everybody flocked to it. Somebody's flocking. This shit tough. And that bitch loud too. Nah, that bitch stupid. That, yeah, I'm finna do that shit. I ain't gonna lie.
Got a 426 stroke or something. But I don't think they ever got
Full drag pack on now. That bitch loud. That hit that hoe. Bro, hit that hoe. Hit the cat. You see niggas recording you. Hit the cat, bro.
Oh, I did like 10 times.
Bro, hit it one more time, bro, please. Right here, right in front of you. Come on, 5-0. Y'all enjoyed that POV. I just realized I didn't have it in the low light setting, so I know it's gonna be hard to see that run, but the nigga got cooked. I thought he was gonna hit it, but it seemed like he let me hit it. Hopefully, wait, this nigga don't want no smoke, do he? Why he slowing down next to me? But yeah, bro, thank y'all so much for all the support. And ain't one thing, it's another, bro. My tire just popped.